Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. And today I'm gonna give you the update on my endless money glitch. I mean, this is just straight up endless money in the stock market if you do it correctly. It is called the wheel strategy. I've explained it to you guys a couple of times now, and now I'm gonna show you how successful I've been at doing it. I've been doing the wheel strategy for around 2 months now, and boy, oh boy, have I made some money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what leg of the strategy that I'm on inside of the wheel strategy, and step by step on how I do it every single week to generate passive income coming into my bank account every single week. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I made. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. With those 2 free stocks, you can keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you guys want to pick up some free Bitcoin, I left a link down in the comment section to take you to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So check those links out down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on the tracker that I use. I've been using the wheel strategy only on AMD so far, and as you could tell in the beginning, I kind of screwed up. I jumped in too early before I knew I was ready, but now it is so simple. I don't know why I did that. It's so simple and easy to figure out. But just over the last couple of weeks alone, overdoing it for the last 2 months, from December all the way to February, I usually generate around $20 to $100 every single week. And since I've started this, over the last 2 months, I've gained a total of $465, guys. $465. I wanted to show you this first before I dive into exactly how I do it. But so far, I've made $465 of free money, of passive income. It is so passive and so easy that I'm able to do it. I'm not the smartest person on earth. If I could do it, you guys could do it too. And I made $465 so far, and I'm gonna do it again next week. So next week, hopefully there'll be around like $500 of passive income that I made from AMD. So let's go ahead and dive into Robinhood right quick so I can show you guys exactly my strategy. Here we are on AMD. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do this strategy. AMD is actually down on the month. Right now they're at $84.74. So with that $465 that I got, let's see how many shares that AMD paid me in passive income that I could buy. Could I buy? Okay. I could buy $423. I could buy 5. AMD pretty much paid me free money to where I could buy 5 more shares of AMD completely free. So that is my passive income strategy that I've been using for about 2 months, and I absolutely love it. So by the end of the year, they could probably pay me out 30 shares worth of AMD that I could reinvest right back into AMD and then do the real strategy twice on them. But let me show you guys exactly how I do it. I click on trade option, and then I want to go out a week. Well, we're in the middle of February, so let's go out to March. That'll be next week. And right here where it says sell call, at first you're gonna come over, it's gonna say buy call. To do the wheel strategy, you want to switch over to sell and then put, right? You want to switch over to sell put. This is the option to buy 100 shares of AMD if it comes to this price. If it don't come to this price, you get to keep your premium. They'll release your collateral back to you, and then you can do it again the following week. So this is the first step of the wheel strategy, the sell put. Let's say AMD is at 84. I'm not comfortable buying AMD at $84.79, but I'm comfortable of buying AMD at $83. So you click the 83 put right here, and that $1.70 is multiplied by 100 because it's 100 shares. So they'll deposit $170 straight into your Robinhood account immediately. That is how you create passive income. And if AMD do not reach $83, they're gonna release your collateral of $8,300 right back to you. And then you'll do it again the following week. But if it do reach $83, you'll be able to pick up 100 shares of AMD at $83, and you still get to keep your $170. So you got paid to buy AMD at the price that you wanted to. And this is gonna take us to the second step, which is where I started this strategy. Once you own 100 shares of AMD, and I'm gonna show you guys, I own 100 shares of AMD. I'm up 44%, $2,630.31. So once you own 100 shares of AMD, let's go back out 1 week. We switch over to sell call. Now this is us. Now we're going up from AMD. AMD is at $84. And this is, you only want to pick a price that you're comfortable selling 100 shares of AMD at, right? AMD is at $84. I'm not comfortable selling 100 shares at $84, but let's say I'm comfortable selling 100 shares of AMD at $90, the strike price of $90. So if I'm comfortable selling AMD at $90, don't think AMD is going to reach $90 by the end of the week. That's a strike price I picked. That's 76 cents right there. Multiply that by 100, and I would get credited $76 straight to my Robinhood account just from picking this one strategy right there. The sell call, I click that, $76 will go straight to my account. I already have 100 shares, so that hold that in collateral. If it reach $89.99, I get to keep my 100 shares of AMD because it did not reach $90. And then of course I get to keep my premium of $76, and then I'll do it again the following week, and then I'll raise the price all the way up to maybe like $95, right? So if we start off the wheel strategy and we pick up 100 shares at $83, you will only do a sell call something that's above $83 because you'll make the profit from 83 all the way up to what you sell 100 shares for at 90. So you'll make that profit, and then you'll make even more profit in premiums. The premium is what's on the right side. So you make even more money in premiums by doing this the wheel option strategy over here on Robinhood. Some people like to stretch out their week, so the further you go out, the more you get paid. So let's just say AMD right now on March 19th, if you do not think AMD will reach $90 by March 19th, you get paid even more in premium. But I like to do weekly option calls for the weekly wheel strategy because I track AMD and I kind of know where that price is gonna go. I keep up with everything with AMD. I kind of know where that price is gonna go. So with me paying so much close attention to AMD, I kind of know where to pick that week. And me picking out something so far out a month in advance, who knows, AMD might drop a new gaming card and the price just shoot all the way up. So I do it every single week over here on Robinhood. And there we go, guys. If you want to make some passive income and want to find out exactly when I put in these option calls at the exact strike price that I pick, I drop all of that information over here on my Patreon. Click the link down in the comments section. That will take you to my Patreon and my Discord. I drop that information in both of those. And the entire Dream Team is able to see exactly when I put in that strategy. And I've been successful at it for the last 2 months. And then this week it's looking like it's going to play out that I'm actually going to be successful again for another week, and then I'll drop it in the chat again next week for all of the Patreon members. So if you want to join the Patreon, that link is down in the comments section. Yeah, guys, but the wheel strategy is probably the safest option play that you can do inside the stock market if you do it correctly. Start off small. Not all companies pay the same amount of premiums. AMD pays a pretty sweet amount of premiums, and I'm going to continue to do it on AMD until I have 200 shares to where I can do 2 option calls every single week of AMD. But yeah, guys, if you've been doing a wheel strategy, let me know down in the comment section. Have you been successful at it, or haven't you? If you haven't done the wheel strategy, let me know down in the comment section. Are you planning on doing it so that you could create more passive income in the future? But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.